Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Transit grill. First, gather your essential tools, such as a trim removal tool and a screwdriver. Make sure your Ford Transit is parked on a level surface with the engine completely off for safety. Then, open the hood to easily access the grill's mounting points and prepare for removal. This preparation ensures a smooth process. Now, let's remove the old grill. Begin by carefully unclipping the top retaining clips with your trim removal tool. Next, locate and remove any screws that secure the grill to the vehicle's frame. Once the top and screws are free, gently pull the grill away from the vehicle to release the lower clips. Take your time to avoid damaging any components. With the old grill removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully align the new grill with the mounting points on your Ford Transit. Push firmly, but gently to ensure the lower clips engage properly into their respective slots. Finally, secure the top retaining clips and reinsert any screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything feels snug and secure. Before you finish, double-check that all clips and screws are securely fastened, ensuring your new grill is firmly in place. Test the hood latch to confirm it closes properly and safely. This ensures everything is secure for your next drive. Also, for an amazing clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.